Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new screener on the Webull application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Markets button down below, which is the second option. After that, click on Screener in the middle of the screen on the left side. Then tap on Create New Screener at the bottom of the screen. Select the market at the top. Region can be selected first of all, then the exchange and the sector too. Click on the Done button. You can add quotes indicators, market cap, loss price, percentage change, and so on. Then you can add financial indicators. Tap on the relevant ones and here you can set them. As you scroll down, you can add and set technical indicators, classic patterns, candlestick patterns, and others. And when you are done, click on the Save button down below on the right side corner and add a screener name. Type it in and click on the Save button. And as you can see, it has been saved successfully. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.